I'm Darren from Integrity New Homes. I currently own the Tweed and the Brisbane franchises. I've been involved with Integrity New Homes now for probably 10 years, on and off. I initially started without the branding because I was running just a straight renovation business, and along the way I started to look more and get more involved with and seeing the systems and everything that was behind and the branding that was behind everything. So eventually I changed over to full Integrity New Homes branding as well, and became a new homes builder as well as doing some renovations. If you're a builder that's maybe out there on your own, feeling like it's all a bit of a struggle and you're not getting the support that you need, and there's maybe that's just because that's the way it is. There's no one around you. Building is it's a very solitary type thing. It's not like you have a whole stack of builder mates and you sit around and talk about the jobs that you've sort of been through, or you're winning or you're not winning. Integrity marketing means, and the system means that we can get together. We get together for a get-together every now and again, usually once a year, a big national conference. And we also do Builders Guild meetings within the different states across Australia. And that has been a great way of getting to know the other builders within the network. You find the builders that you maybe get along with, and you have very similar line goals, and you can talk to them. You can share trades. You can share, different suppliers that maybe you're looking at. I think that if you're someone looking, maybe you're a little bit lost and you need some direction, Integrity is really what you need, and you're going to be part of a team, and they're going to take you places because they care.